Hey folks, welcome back to Jay's Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to install a vertical grounding bus bar. This is our Legrand GBV72KIT. This comes with 3 isolators and 3 sets of screws. First thing I'm going to do is take my 1224 screw, install my isolator to the top part of the bracket. I'm going to keep that loose until the final step. I'll go ahead and install the next 2. I've gone ahead and installed all 3 isolators. I've also installed my 2-hole grounding lug. Now that can be installed at the bottom or the top. With my isolators aligned with my rear rack holes, I can now screw in my isolators to the rack. With all 3 isolators fastened to the rack, now finish tightening the bus bar to the isolator. Now with your vertical bus bar in place, you can go ahead and use your existing hardware and fasten your ground lugs in place. For additional information, please reach out to the product specialist team.